Meet Doug and Jenny. Both run busy auto repair shops. Running a shop comes with daily challenges when finding and ordering parts. Doug's morning is frustrating. He's logging into multiple supplier websites, switching screens, and making countless phone calls to his suppliers. He struggles to find the right parts, the best pricing, and check local availability. But while Doug struggles with traditional ordering methods, Jenny has discovered a game-changing solution: PartsTech. As Doug waits on hold, Jenny has easily connected all of her suppliers into one place. So all she has to do is click on the PartsTech button from her shop management system to automatically load her vehicle information and then search for the part she needs. In seconds, Jenny sees real-time inventory and pricing from all her suppliers in a single lookup and adds her best option to the cart. Using interactive vehicle diagrams, she quickly adds an additional part needed for this repair, and it doesn't matter if it's from a different supplier. Jenny's customer also needs a tire replacement. Luckily, finding tires on PartsTech is a breeze. Switching to tires gives her immediate recommendations for her selected vehicle. Then, it's just a matter of adding it to the cart. Once everything is in her cart, a single click transfers all the parts back to her shop management system, where she can confirm and place the order. By the time Doug finishes ordering one part, Jenny has completed her entire order and has moved on to her next task. She's not only saving time but transforming her entire business operation. PartsTech saves shops an average of 15 minutes per repair order. That's hours saved every week, allowing you to service more vehicles, improve customer satisfaction, boost revenue, and expand your business. Save time and speed up parts ordering in your auto repair shop with PartsTech. Try it free today.